Welcome back to Music Madness 2016. We are firmly into round 2. This is the Lifeson bracket. And before we get into the round 2 matchups, we of course need to review the results of round 1. So bring up that graphic and let's take a look and see what happened. We had Enslaved defeat Machine Head 167 to 151 in a fairly close first round matchup between a number 1 and a number 16 seed. Anthrax defeated Thy Art is Murder 253 to 63. Periphery took care of Battlecross 192 to 115. Katatonia punched their ticket by defeating Killswitch Engage 166 to 140. Killswitch Engage has a new album coming out this week, and Katatonia later this spring. Lamb of God defeated Baby Metal 243 to 67 in the result that virtually everybody probably saw coming. Amon Amarth defeated Leprous 214 to 92. Judas Priest defeated Emperor 208 to 109. And Queensryche defeated Death Heaven 165 to 134. A fairly decent showing by Death Heaven up against such a stalwart of a competitor. So let's move from one graphic to the next. Let's take a look at the round 2 matchups here in the Lifeson bracket. We have on our new lovely graphic Enslaved taking on Anthrax. Periphery taking on Katatonia, Lamb of God taking on Amon Amarth, which should be very interesting, and Judas Priest taking on Queensryche, which should also be interesting. Now, all of these matchups will also be present in the description box below. Vote for your favorites in the comments box below. And whenever we return next week, we are going to be in what I have now decided I'm going to dub not the Sweet 16, the Sinister 16, here in Music Madness 2016. So voting for this will, by the way, end this coming Sunday, so get your votes in today.